Alright guys, welcome back to the RC Guru YouTube channel. Today, moments ago, we just got this optic kit in. As you can see, it's still sealed, factory sealed. This is from the Trucks of Fortune. There's multiple different colors. I say this is going to be a carbon kit. I manifest it. Let's open it up and find out. That's no problem. We still like it. We can print a whole body if we need to. Still an optic. It's not a carbon. That's okay. We can still get carbon for it though. Maybe. Yeah, it's on sale. Hold on. Or should we go a full printed version? What are we going to do with the kit? It's got all the upgrades. There's the axles. There's the beautiful axles. Look at that. There's grease and everything in there. Of course there is. It's like every other Vanquish kit. With orange panels. Yay!